option of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then install this free app from this developer at DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, just open it. Thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!